Model number is WGPS. This smartwatch is with GPS control. Here is the list of this smartwatch. The color you can choose pink, blue, orange, and black. This one supports GPS tracking, SOS, emergency call, SMS, and the website platform location, remote monitor, record and playback history, two-way communication. It means that you can install the software in your mobile and to control this smartwatch, and you can call this smartwatch. When something happens, you can press SOS to call the mobile for help. And now we're showing the package of this smartwatch. Here is the package, and here's the specifications. Colors for choose. The adapter, USB cable, user manual. That's all. Thank you.